another test. I would like to request Regine to go and stay there. We will request the two younger sisters and Melody to be on the other edge of the chair. All right. Now we will put the Protect. It doesn't matter which way it faces because it's a conductor. Now we're showing that this table or the bed, if this is a bed, this will just show that you will both be having better sleep, because that's one of the advantages of this little invention based on frequency technology. We will be putting the miracle sticker on the table, on the chair, on the bench, and Melody and Regine are there. I would like, first of all, try to go away from the bench so that you are not being affected by the frequency from the sticker. All right. I would like to request Grace and Princess to please push the sisters. Go ahead. Okay, so this is before being in contact with the bench that has the sticker on it. Are you sure that you tried to resist? Okay. How about you try to resist? Okay. And all right, now Regine and Melody, please go and get your bodies to the bench. All right, and now I would like to request the elder sisters, Grace and Princess, to push their sisters, their smaller sisters. 1, 2, 3, as hard as you can. All right, so as you can see, this bench is acting as a conductor. This little sticker is doing all molecular level improvements to their strength, right? This is little sister Regine and Melody. Okay, amazing. Now the next test, one of the claims of our inventor is that you get protection and health benefits even if you're 2 to 3 feet away from someone who is holding the sticker. So one foot, 2 feet, at the very most 3 feet away. So we would recommend, just doing the test for someone 2 feet away. I would like to request the smaller sister Regine to hold the sticker. Hold the sticker. There you go. Put it on your chest or in your pocket since you don't have any pocket. Okay. Thank you, Ate Princess. And I would like to request Regine to stand 2 or 3, 2 feet. 2 feet. Is that 2 feet? A little closer maybe. Okay. 2 feet behind, in front of Regine. All right. And maybe what you should do is turn around so that the camera can see it. All right. So, and now I would like to ask. So the sticker is with little Regine. Her sister is standing about less than 2 feet away from her, maybe around 2 feet away from her. And I will ask the sisters again, Princess, the elder sisters, Princess and Grace, to try and push both girls. Keep in mind that Melody has no sticker on her. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and push Regine. See? So that's it. And there's a lot of people, thank you. There's a lot of people that are experiencing this. In fact, we have had tests where, and you will see it in some of the other videos, where we have had as much as 3 or 4 people attaching their bodies or having their bodies right next to a conductor. I would like to show a last test, okay? This is how powerful this sticker is. Wonderful invention from Unique Performance. I would like to get this sticker, and no one among them has the sticker. And Regine again to come here. Okay, stand next to your sister. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, and what we will do, maybe stand here together. Come forward, come forward. Okay, there you go. And now there are no benches, no cloths, no nothing, just the ground. In fact, we tried this on soil ground, you know, but here on concrete ground, we are going to put this unique performance frequency treated sticker. We will put this on the ground, just right beside the two of these soul sisters. And I would like to request Grace and Princess to go ahead and try to push them both. Go. Okay? Nobody else has the sticker except the ground that they're standing on. Okay? There you go.
I feel the